trials all coming in, all the gears coming in there now, so it won't be long before she's finished. So here we are looking at the wiring on the boat now, and there's a shitload of it, a bit more than we had before. So they've done a pretty good job. I've got the plastic in, we've got network cables under here, over here, here. I'm so glad I'm not doing it. Yeah, so hopefully after all this is done, it all works. We're going to have to do some more modifications on the seat and stuff like that to make all this work, but it's getting there. The boat's just full of crap at the moment, but anyway, we're getting close. So I reckon another couple of weeks, and we'll hope next Wednesday we're going to do the sea trial. We'll see how we go. Okay, so today we're heading off to go and pick up the boat for the trials, and we'll be heading out with Dave soon. So yeah, this is the big day. Been looking forward to this. It's gone a little bit longer than we thought, but there was probably a little bit more to do than we thought. But it's looking good, and Dave's pretty anal. He likes everything to be perfect, thank God. I'm a bit the same, and whatever they call that disease again, I can't remember it offhand. But yeah, no, so it's going to be a very exciting day, and it's the day before the grand final, so I've got a big day tomorrow as well. But you know, this is what life's all about, having something to look forward to get excited about. So I'm certainly excited. Here we are, Active Marine, about to go in, test the boat out. She's looking good. Can't wait. Certainly very excited. Okay, this is the boat. About to go in there. And then what we're having a look at is when we go in here. Up the steps. You can see what we've done here now. We've got the Seadek going on. Obviously, we're missing other seats so we can get where we're going. Yeah, we're going to do some adjusting in there. But yeah, it looks pretty good. Put the pothole thing down here. I'll probably do a bit more of a run through later on. But how's it looking with those two big Suzukis out there? Go and get them. First time in the drinks. Here we are. I just had my first drive of it. Oh well, took it off the trailer. But I'll call that a drive. It's fucking awesome. Gave me so good. I can tell. The smile's pretty big. What a beautiful day too. And we've had the shittiest weather over the last week here in Tassie, but today is it's one of those days, you know, the gods are with us, as they would say in the ancient time. Water now doing the final calculations as we start to dial everything in. So what we're doing here now is we're setting up the SeaStar Optimum and they're going through the propulsion when we begin. So I'm sitting at the back keeping quiet while it all happens. People probably don't realise there's a quite a big involvement in this to get the outboards running correctly. Dave's just going to go and get the trailer now. We're going to take it in. Did a few testings today. We've got a few things to adjust to spot SeaStar things at the and yeah, we've got a few more things to do. I forgot about the names now, haven't I? All the stuff I'm going to do. The trim tabs I was thinking of. And then so we're going to bring out again next week and do a few more adjustments. At least we've got the electronic tilt and trim on the motor working, so we did that while waiting for Simon to come back from SeaStar. Anyway, back on the trailer shortly, and this will be the first time it goes on the trailer, and we'll see how it goes. Only our first trip. Here we go, back in the boat. I've left my keys in here. So successful trip for the first time. Went out on the boat, everything went well. Looking forward to the next one where we do a bit more work. I'll be picking the boat up now, and it's off to go to get the sign writing at Phil at Document Management, and then after that take her home and start figuring out. So we are at Document Management, drop her off now for the final thing, and then she'll be done when I pick her back up on Friday.